What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we are in Albany, New York. Today we're gonna explore Sunset Lane's bowling alley. And guys, today we'll be joined by Get Real Vlogs. Dean.
What's up, guys?
From Get Real Vlogs. You ready to do this, man?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
So this is the entrance. And actually every door and every window is open. Let's go in. Oh man, look at all these flies. Man, it's dark in here. Dean, you seeing this?
I am seeing this, man.
Dude,
Holy
this is
cow,
scary.
It's a lot darker than I thought. I'm definitely gonna put this light on.
Yeah. And the smell.
Sunset Lanes, I believe, is what this is called, and it is a lot darker than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
So we are gonna take a look around here.
Hopefully there's no homeless sleeping around here.
And if they are, I'm single.
This is the bathroom. And just everything is destroyed. So this is where the lanes are, but there's no light. So not sure if you guys can see it. Just a bunch of shoes. Shoes everywhere in this place. Let's see what's behind this door. Nothing. There's nothing in there. Okay, I'm gonna follow Dean. He has light.
The lanes look like crap.
Dude, watch out for the holes.
There's holes that we could fall through.
It's dangerous, dude. If we didn't have this light, we wouldn't be able to see these holes.
It's true, it's that dark in here. It doesn't help that, you know, it decided to rain today.
True. Dude, this place is falling apart. Look at this. It's literally falling apart. You see that? There's some stairs going down. It's probably like a basement.
Probably.
Over there.
That's where the ghosts live.
The demons.
The demons are down there.
This is no dream. This is really happening. Ah!
Guys. So I actually can't stay too away from Dean because he has the light.
Okay guys, I think if my light cooperates with me, I'm gonna try to see how stable these are to walk on. So far they not the best.
Yeah,
but...
definitely not the best.
So guys, this would be the lane where the bowling balls would come down. I'm assuming this is where the balls, oh, there you go right there. There's a ball waiting for us to play.
Yeah.
That's where the balls would come down through the gutter. Well, not the gutter, but come back. It's cool to see what it looks like without all of the things on top of it.
Yeah.
We have...
There's some bowling pins over there.
A what?
See them? Bowling pins?
Oh yeah. Those are set up and everything. So I have seen a few videos of this place on YouTube. I want to say thank you to Upstate Exploring for helping me find this location. Thanks to him. Shout out to him.
Shout out to you, Upstate Exploring.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, I think I'm gonna keep one of these pins.
You could. I don't think anyone else is gonna want them.
Right?
Wow. Look at that.
Keep it as a souvenir. Man, look at all these bowling pins.
Goodness gracious.
You could have a bowling pin store right here.
We could. We should open a business if YouTube doesn't work out.
Exactly. I wonder how much they're worth. Even if it's $1 for a bowling pin.
So what I did read online, guys, is I believe this shut down around 2017, 2018.
Oh, this must be the workshop.
Yeah. There's some light. Look at that, guys. The light is here.
There's probably some valuable stuff here too, still.
Probably. Good CD.
Yeah, right there.
Wow.
See what we can find around here. Looks like a math lab.
Kind of does. Explorers lately have been making stickers of their channel and putting it up on each place they explore. Yeah. I thought that's what it was, but I'm pretty sure it's probably just a league that put their stickers up.
That's a pretty good idea too.
It is cool because it's not like you're degrading. You can peel a sticker off.
Right. You're not doing anything. You just.
Is this more lanes over here?
Huh?
Are these more lanes?
No, we've been here already. This is where we just were.
We did? No, we were.
Oh, no. This is more lanes.
Wow.
Dude, I'm lost.
Yeah. I guess we are. Look at this.
Oh, yeah, look at that artwork.
That's pretty. Looks like a 10-year-old did. Like I said, guys, this has not been abandoned for a long time. Maybe 3, 4, 5 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 2017, 2018, around that time.
Oh, okay.
And apparently, I think it's an Asian supermarket wants to buy this, but I don't know why. It just doesn't seem like it can really turn into anything much at this point.
You know, guys, the only bad part about this place is the lighting.
It's true.
You just can barely see anything. But we take what we can get.
And also, even if it was sunny, I don't think it'd be too much help.
Yeah, it wouldn't be too much of a difference
It's just
either.
so much darkness in here.
True. We're lucky we got Dean with his light.
Yeah, thank God I got this light.
Guys, make sure to check out Dean's channel. Link in the description below.
Oh, goodness gracious.
This has nice walls. This bathroom.
Oh, look, if you want to creep in on the girls.
Look, this is the front entrance. And as you can see, it's completely open. Oh, Dean.
What?
I found it upstairs.
Okay. Let's see. I haven't seen anyone go upstairs in the videos. So.
Right?
Guys, if we fall through, we are here in Albany. But I don't think it should be too bad because it isn't very old. Not like the Adler at the top.
Oh yeah, that
I
place.
didn't even go on that like you did. Once I saw you
Dude,
say heck no, I didn't even try it. Man.
that place was not safe at all.
Definitely check for holes.
Mm-hmm. So at least we got more light in here. The floor is not too unstable.
No, it's not too bad. I guess, guys, this could be like maybe a party. Yeah, party. It says birthday right there.
Oh yeah, this is like a party section.
Yeah, party room.
Yep.
Hi guys outside.
I wonder what this is. Okay guys, you see that?
Black mold.
It's black mold. And I forgot my mask.
Me too.
Look at this room.
Really cool.
It's just full of black mold. There's a fire extinguisher, a phone. You should check it out.
Cool.
Guys, in moments like this is why I bring my mask.
Yeah.
I forgot it.
If you do explore here, highly, it's so weird on this camera, guys. Highly recommend wearing a mask. A lot of black mold, a lot more than I've seen in places in a very long time.
Yeah. I guess it's due because of all the moisture.
Yep. And guys, I know that in previous videos I joke around that whenever I go to Albany, it suddenly seems to rain. When I was exploring the St. Joseph's Church, it rained. When I went to the concert the other week, it rained. And guys, once again, my whole ride here, nothing. But you know, overcast. Now, rain.
Guys, there's just black mold everywhere here. And
Okay, if you want some money, you got our ATM. Join Dean with the shoe tying break.
looks like there's a bar section in here. And just everything is emptied out. See, there's no liquor or anything.
There's a coat. There's a coat here.
Oh.
I think it's a coat.
Yeah. It's actually a pretty nice coat. Guys, so I just found out that this place is actually going to be torn down pretty soon. They're planning to replace it with a local supermarket. And man, I'm just glad I came here before that happened, because pretty soon this place will no longer exist.
And then your channel is Nate
Perez Cunillera.
Nate Perez Cunillera.
Yep.
I'll try my best.
All right guys, we've reached the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about this video and this entire place. And also, Dean, what do you want to say to the people watching?
It was a good first collab.
Yeah.
We wish the weather was a little better, but hey, nevertheless, we came here, we explored. Thank you guys for watching.
Yep.
And we'll try to get together again soon.
And I'll see you in just a bit. Peace.